Hey guys, what's up? I am so excited to be doing this quick and easy how to do wing liner like a pro using a gel liner. So there are so many different ways and so many different products, and I'm going to show you my easiest way that I like to apply eyeliner and do winged liner, and the easiest way for me is gel liner. So I'm going to share with you guys how to apply gel liner like a pro. So I'm not a pro, but I'm dang good, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Before we get started and before I show you how to do this, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos, and come join the Bondbeautyful family. Also hit the like while you're down there if you like winged liner. I know you do. You cannot hit the like. Come on. Okay, so yeah, let's just get straight on to it. Okay, so you can use a gel liner, you can use liquid liner, whatever your preference is. I find that the liquid liners are harder to use because you never know how their brush is going to be. Like, oftentimes they have wonky brushes, and if you're a beginner, I definitely recommend going the gel liner route, which is what I'm gonna do, because even I have hard time with liquid liner. So there's a bunch of different gel liners out there. I really like the Essence one. That one's a really affordable one. I'll link that one off down below. But today I'm going to be using this one because it's my favorite one at the moment. It's the Pretty Vulgar ink liner. This one is in the color 01 Blacklist, which is their blackest one. And I love this one because it's super, super creamy. This is probably the creamiest one I found. And it's just really, really, really black and just dries quickly. It's just really, really nice. So I love this one. That's the one I'm going to use today. And then you need your brush. So there's multiple different eyeliner brushes out there. There's like these super thin ones that are really, really small. There's this one. This is a Pro 7M from Poreless, and it's an angled brush, which makes a really good wing as well. Then they have these ones, which these ones are my personal favorite. I don't like the angled ones as much, but these ones are just like the long, thin ones. So the key I found with these ones is to really drizzle it in product and then kind of shape it and let it dry, and then it'll be like your perfect wing liner brush. I know that sounds gross, but it's just product. It's not dirt. You're not using your spit. Like, it's still, it's not that dirty because it's just the product that you put on there, but you shape it and it just creates the best line. So this one is from Aesthetica. It came in like a kit of 3, and I'll put the link for this down below. It's my favorite at the moment. And you guys, you can think outside the box. You don't only have to use makeup brushes. I have a Walmart craft paintbrush kit, like a crafting brush kit, and you'll recognize this when you see it, but they're super, super cheap. This one came in like a pack of 5 or 6 or something like that, maybe even 10. And it comes with a bunch of these thin ones as well. So I love using these for eyeliner, and they also come with a bunch of these flat ones that are just really good quality, and they really give you the shape you want. So for example, this is another one that came in it, and I love using this one for my cut crease. So you really can find awesome things like at the craft store and whatnot, and you don't have to go get makeup brushes, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna be doing one eye with this Aesthetica one and one eye with this one, so you guys can see. And yeah, let's just get to it. So depending on what your eye shape, it is really important to know your eye shape because it helps you whenever you're trying to create something that is going to look the best on you. So if you have hooded eyes, which I get so many questions about hooded eyes, if you have hooded eyes, cat wings are going to be like, cat liner is going to be your friend, and it can be difficult to do that. I don't have, like, I have slightly hooded eyes, like you can see this slightly goes down, but you can still see my lid. So I have downturned eyes as well. So like the ends here, they go down like this. And so for me, it's important for me to really like push my eyeliner up so I can turn my eyes up and I don't look like droopy all the time. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to be doing like a short wing here. So first things first, I'm going to really dip it in and drizzle it into the product like nobody's business. Can I see what I'm doing? And then we're gonna get started. So the first thing I like to do is to create my line here. that's the first thing I do. I create my line and then I start to outline around my eyelash. Why could I not say that? So I create my line, I then start to create my line close to my lashes, then I'll finish up my wing and I will connect it and then I will fill it in. Those are the steps that I do. So I make my line, I then trace my eyelashes, like my lash line, and then I finish my triangle wing and then I connect it and fill it in. One rule of thumb, something that is good to remember is, you know, your eyebrow is supposed to go, if you put your brush up to your nose and up to the corner of your eye, your eyebrow should end there, and that's kind of the shape you want your wing to go, kind of like up right there. So that's just gonna look more appealing. So that's kind of what I do. So I created my outline there. I'm gonna go in and go along my lashes. Even if I'm doing something really thick, I will still do a thin line and then I'll go back in and thicken it whenever I've connected it. Okay, now I'm gonna finish my triangle portion of the wing. And then I can thicken up and make sure that this line isn't wonky. So while I'm doing my wing, I'm always looking down at my mirror like this, so that I can really see my shape, and then I will straighten out my mirror and I will look at it to make sure that when I'm looking head on, that my eyeliner looks really, really good. So those are a couple of tips as well. So you can see I love this brush. It was so easy to create a really good point there. For the other eye, it's so hard to get them even, but I'm gonna use this little brush right here. Let's do this. Wish me luck, guys. But this one, as you can see, creates like an even thinner line because it has that hair that goes up. So can you see how that line's wonky? Now we can go in and fix that little gap right there. So you can see how the wings kind of look there. Do you see that? What do you guys think? So that's easy peasy. That's how you do your winged liner. Okay guys, so was that easy? Was that simple? Did you guys like this little mini tutorial? Comment down below and tell me, what do you want me to show you guys next? I want to do these like mini tutorial how-to videos. So give me suggestions down below of what you guys want to learn. And yeah, you guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. You're beautiful. Good luck with your wing liner, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.